In this journey of self-discovery, we delve into the profound practice of affirmative prayer. Imagine a life where your thoughts become the architects of your reality, where every word you utter shapes the world around you. Today, we unlock the secrets of affirmative prayer, a transformative tool that propels you into a realm of boundless possibilities. Understanding. Affirmative prayer. Let's begin by unraveling the essence of affirmative prayer. Unlike traditional supplication, this practice is about affirming your divine connection and claiming your desires with unwavering confidence. It's a conversation with the universe, a declaration of your intentions. Engage with this process as if you are already in possession of what you seek. Your words become the seeds of manifestation, and with each utterance, you cultivate the reality you desire. The power of I am now. Let's explore the first fact. The power of I am affirmative prayer embraces the essence of I am. These two words carry a vibrational frequency that aligns with the divine. When you declare, I am abundant, I am healthy, or I am loved, you are tapping into the universal energy of creation. Feel the resonance of these affirmations within you, igniting a surge of positivity. Each affirmation is a powerful declaration that induces a dopamine release, reinforcing your connection with the infinite potential of the universe. The art of visualization. Moving on to the second aspect, claiming your desires. The art of visualization. Affirmative prayer involves vividly imagining the fulfillment of your desires. Close your eyes and visualize the life you wish to lead. Feel the emotions associated with your achievements, taste the success, and immerse yourself in the joy of your accomplishments. As you engage in this visualization, you send a powerful signal to the universe, attracting the very experiences you've envisioned. Visualization is a catalyst for manifestation, triggering a dopamine surge that intensifies your commitment to the affirmative prayer journey. Gratitude as a magnet. Let's discuss the third dimension, gratitude as a magnet. Affirmative prayer is not just about asking, it's about expressing gratitude as if your desires have already manifested. Gratitude is a magnetic force that draws your aspirations closer to you. Cultivate a sense of thankfulness for the blessings you anticipate. As you express gratitude, you create a harmonious frequency with the universe, inviting the fulfillment of your desires. The act of giving thanks releases dopamine, reinforcing the positive loop between you and the divine. Release and trust, surrendering to the process. Now, the fourth element, release and trust, surrendering to the process. Affirmative prayer involves surrendering your desires to the universe. Trust that your intentions are heard and that the universe is conspiring to bring them into reality. Release any doubt or anxiety, allowing the divine forces to work in your favor. This act of surrender induces a sense of peace and calm, triggering a dopamine release that solidifies your trust in the unfolding process. The power of spoken word. Lastly, let's delve into the power of the spoken word. Affirmative prayer emphasizes the spoken word as a catalyst for manifestation. Your words have the power to shape your reality. Speak your desires with conviction, infusing them with the energy of creation. Each word uttered sends a ripple into the fabric of the universe, setting the stage for the manifestation of your dreams. The spoken word is a direct channel to the divine, creating a surge of dopamine that strengthens your connection to the cosmic forces at play. Action steps to take. Let's break down the action steps to implement the principles of affirmative prayer for transformative change. Start each day with empowering affirmations using the I am statements. Affirm your strengths, successes, and positive qualities. Write them down or say them out loud with conviction. This simple practice will set a positive tone for your day and stimulate the release of dopamine. Dedicate time daily to visualize your desired outcomes. Close your eyes and vividly imagine achieving your goals. Engage all your senses, see, hear, feel, and even taste the success. Create a mental movie of your desired reality. As you do this, allow the positive emotions to flow, signaling to your brain and body to release dopamine. Integrate a gratitude practice into your routine. Each day, Express gratitude for the things you are anticipating as if they have already happened. Write them down in a gratitude journal or simply say them out loud. Cultivate a sense of appreciation for both present and future blessings. Gratitude not only attracts positive energy, but also triggers a release of dopamine. Practice letting go of control and surrendering your desires to the universe. When doubts or anxieties arise, consciously release them. Trust that the universe is working in your favor. Consider adopting mindfulness or meditation practices to cultivate a sense of peace and surrender. This act of releasing and trusting initiates a calming effect and encourages dopamine release. Engage in daily affirmative prayer sessions. Speak your desires out loud with conviction and belief. Use positive and present tense language. Create a prayer routine where you communicate your intentions directly to the universe. Your spoken words act as a powerful channel for manifestation, amplifying the connection with divine energies and triggering a release of dopamine. Make these practices a consistent part of your daily routine. Set aside specific times each day for your affirmative prayer, visualization, and gratitude exercises. Consistency reinforces the neural pathways associated with positive thinking, making it easier for your brain to naturally release dopamine in response to these empowering activities. Regularly assess your progress. Reflect on the changes in your mindset, emotions, and overall well-being. If certain practices feel more effective than others, adjust your routine accordingly. Pay attention to how your body responds to these positive habits, acknowledging the dopamine-induced motivation and joy that accompany your journey. Remember, the key to successful transformation lies in the consistent application of these action steps. Embrace the process, stay committed, and watch as the power of affirmative prayer unfolds in your life. The journey to a more abundant and fulfilling existence begins with your intentional actions. In conclusion, affirmative prayer is a transformative practice that empowers you to co-create your reality with the universe. Engage with the power of I am, visualize your desires, express gratitude, release and trust, and harness the potency of the spoken word. As you immerse yourself in these facets, a wave of dopamine accompanies your journey, reinforcing your alignment with the infinite possibilities that await. Affirmative prayer is your key to unlocking the door to a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Claim it, believe it, and watch as your reality transforms into the masterpiece you've always envisioned. The power is within you. It's time to embrace it.